Welcome to the 2026 economy. If you feel overwhelmed, it's not you. You're just navigating a lot of noise. The good news? You aren't falling behind. You just need a better system. We are cutting through the noise to show you exactly how to build wealth, starting from zero. Let's get to work. Stop buying stuff to fill a void. Financial minimalism is not about being broke, it is about intentional spending. If you do not use it, you do not own it. In reality, it owns your future. Financial minimalism means cutting away the clutter so your money can actually grow your future. The 50-30-20 rule is your financial roadmap. Divide your income. 50% for your needs like rent and groceries, 30% for your wants like lattes and concerts. If your wants are higher than this, you're not living your best life. You're just paying for your landlord's next vacation. And finally, 20% for your future self. Automate this savings portion to stay on track. If you rely on willpower to manage your money, you will eventually fail. Your brain is a terrible accountant. Instead, you need the automation hack. It is simple. Set up an auto transfer to your savings account the very next day after payday. If you don't see the money, you won't spend the money. Automate the transfer, and you effectively pay yourself first before your lifestyle has a chance to soak it all up. The Roth IRA is basically a cheat code for your future. You pay taxes on your money now while you're in a lower bracket, but after that, it grows tax-free forever. The government is essentially saying, keep your profits when you retire. The free money rule is simple. If your employer offers a 401k match, you take it, period. Not taking it is literally the same as walking into your boss's office and asking for a pay cut. When you contribute to your 401k, your boss adds their own money. It's a guaranteed return. Never leave free money on the table. Claim your match, grow your wealth, and stop giving your salary back to the company. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It is not just your money growing, it is your money's money having kids, and those kids having kids. Think of your initial investment as a seed. Over time, that seed sprouts. Unlike simple interest, which stays flat, compound interest creates an exponential curve. It starts slow, but accelerates rapidly. Want a financial life hack that tells you how fast your money doubles? It's called the Rule of 72. Just divide 72 by your annual interest rate. If you get an 8% return, your money doubles in just 9 years. That is without you lifting a finger. It is the magic of time and compound interest working for you. When you pick individual stocks, you're a gambler. You're trying to hit a moving target, hoping for a big win, but facing huge volatility. But when you buy an index fund, you stop guessing. You own a piece of the entire economy. You become the house. You're not betting on one company to succeed, you're betting that the economy itself will grow over time. It's the most effective way to build wealth because you're playing the long game, not the luck game. Meet Alex. Alex isn't a stock market wizard. At age 22, Alex simply started investing $300 a month into an index fund. It wasn't about picking winning stocks or timing the market. It was just about being boring and being consistent. By age 30, after 8 years of discipline, that fund grew to over $35,000. Alex didn't get rich by accident, but through the quiet power of simple, consistent growth. Meet Sam. Sam spends $600 a month on convenience foods and subscriptions, but feels perpetually broke. If Sam redirects just half of that into an index fund, the trajectory changes entirely. Don't just sponsor your lifestyle habits. Become an investor. Your future self will thank you. Dealing with student loans isn't just about paying them off. It is about math. If your loan interest is 4%, but your investments grow at 8%, paying off that debt early is actually losing you money. By prioritizing the market over aggressive early repayment, you capture that 4% spread. Think of it as a bonus that works for you every single year. Don't prioritize the emotional relief of zero debt over the logical mathematical gain of your future self. Pay your minimums, invest the rest, and watch the spread build your wealth. Crypto, day trading, and those get-rich-quick schemes, they are the fastest way to get poor really, really fast. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Real progress looks less like a lottery win and more like a steady, upward climb. If your financial strategy sounds exciting, it's probably gambling. Keep it boring. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Remember, you are the CEO of your own life. Every financial habit you build today is a strategic decision for your future company of one. Start small and stay consistent. Like a garden, wealth doesn't grow overnight. It requires patience, water, and time. Your 35-year-old self is already thanking you for the habits you are building right now. Keep going.